Hey guys, I'm Rhonda and I wanted to do a review on Auntie Tabs Donna Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Collection. So before I give you a review, I want you to know that I was looking in Auntie Tabs comments and I saw a lot of people asking if it worked on Locs. So I wanted to do a review, but before I give you my review, I want to show you the process. Here we go. Alright guys, so I actually went to the Ulta close to my home, but they were actually sold out. So I had to order it online. It didn't take long at all to come, and when it got here, I was super duper duper excited. I got the moisturizing shampoo, I got the creamy oil, I also got the conditioner, and I also bought the spray bottle. Alright, so I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm going to wet my hair all the way through. I wanted to make sure that it was all the way wet so that when I put the shampoo in there, it would lather up. Y'all, this stuff smells amazing, I promise. It smells really, really good. My first time putting it in, because I had oils and stuff built up in my hair, the lather was not that good, but that's with any shampoo. But that second time washing my hair, oh my goodness, y'all, look at that lather. It was a great lather. So here I'm just shaking my head. I'm showing you guys how full it looks. It looks so healthy. My scalp is really, really clean. All right, so usually I do not use conditioner, but I wanted to try it out on my edges since my hair has grown out some. So I go in and I put it on my edges, and then I will also just put it on my fingertips and then rub it through my hair. So I have to be honest, I actually thought how soft my hair was after I shampooed my hair. I actually thought that I had used the conditioner, but nope, I hadn't used the conditioner. That was actually the shampoo. So I go out and I dry all of my hair. And then I'm going to wrap it up to get out the extra moisture. Ta-da! So here we go again, showing you how clean my scalp is. Look how healthy that the locks look. Very bouncy, very healthy. The spray bottle is great too. It sprays really, really wide. It's a wide spray. All right, so this is how I do my hair. I actually do a braid out using 3 strands, and then I put perm rods on the end. So this gives it some extra volume as well. Here's just another shot from the back. And then I took the oil and I added it to my edges and on my scalp before I set under the dryer. So I set under the dryer probably about an hour and 15 minutes to make sure that it's dry. Y'all, it smells amazing. I know I already said that, but I had to tell you again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the process of me using the products. So now, let me give you my review. 5 stars! It is amazing, y'all. The smell is amazing. The packaging is amazing. Everything is amazing. So, I wanted to go and do a close-up of my hair so that you guys can see the volume that I have. It is so bouncy. So nice. Get into it, y'all. Get into it in my Auntie Tabs voice. This is definitely a 5-star for me. I love the product. And when I was sitting under the dryer, I would keep putting my hands under there to see if it was dry, and I could just smell the smell coming from under the dryer, y'all. It still smells good. I'm pretty sure it'll smell good for a very long time. But it's just a great product. It's a 5-star for me. Auntie Tab, I hope you see this video, and thank you, girl. Your shampoo and your collection is great.